Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a zoomed in video about how to draw the figure 8 cat, the really easy cat. So you just need a pencil, unless you want to outline it. You can use a Sharpie or another marker, and you can color it in if you'd like, but I'm not going to. So when I do my figure 8, you can start at the top or the bottom, but the top has to be smaller than the bottom. So I might draw mine like that, with a much bigger bottom. That's for the body. Next step is, well, kind of straighten out your lines a little bit, and then you need to draw a neck. So the neck, we do one curved line there, one curved line here, and I think mine's a little bit lopsided, but that's okay, because it's a cat. Maybe it's sitting kind of crooked. After that, you need to add ears. There we go, 2 ears. And then you need a tail. So I might put my tail like there. That's how I want my tail. Now you just go in and erase the X on the neck. And maybe you want to fix up the neck a little bit. Maybe I want to bring this line down like that. You can do that. There we go. I'm going to go back in and outline the whole thing. Alright, and then you will erase any extra lines, fix up anything that's crooked. Alright, that's it. Let me know how it goes.